again once more at Bobby's Sound Clash on a Monday night. Party ram, party knife, party I go out with myself. But me can't go inside because me has sell tickets, me I collect money, me I do the things them. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Click on the post notification bell. Every time I upload a video, you're gonna be notified. Troublemaker. Selective Platinum family, I'm telling you about the Monday night Sound Clash. Bobby Monday night Sound Clash, I know nothing normal about that. But say last night, ignorant, yo, I crossed last night. That clash to me is one of the best clash ever. Apart from the two girl them, the clash lively, the people them come on. I feel like me they sting. The worst part about it, me they are the gate and collect the money and sell the ticket. That was the worst part about the clash. But apart from that, the man them go on with themselves. The youth and the orange him ignorant. Me nah lie. The boy cross, angry. I bound to kill a little son that one them. Me nah lie. You know, look on the crowd. Look on the crowd. The crowd are real. I couldn't get what you. Look at the people that carry on. But couldn't get feelings turn up the longer because people keep coming in and have to run back to the door. Look at the crowd of the people that are real and I go on and I jump up. Watch ya. That youth, him know him thing, him know him tune, him know how to come out with him bring out, him carry out, him dash out, him come with everything, him plan it out, him prepare himself. That's why you talk about clash. When you have to prepare yourself for a war, because you have to come out a winner, you have to come out alive, and you have to survive the war. This is what we call a war clash. Yeah man, the stage show, the Sound Clash, the party, everything in a one. On a Monday night, people you need to look forward to come out on a Monday night. Bobby, Sound Clash, Monday night. That one ya sell right off. Kudos to you, Bobby and Blacks. Fire Blacks, big up your nice clean self. You don't know say I'm a little brother. Me bring it out to the forefront. A lot of people don't know that, but me I bring it out to them. Let the public them know. Yeah, Fire Blacks, I'm a little brother. Big up your nice clean self. Bobby, your thing sell off. Right there, sir. Go people, Monday night, which far you go? I see a Monday night, carry on, dash out, celebrate, happy. No, sure, me go on, you know. Me carry on, you know. Monday night, again, look forward to see another Monday night coming. And you're gonna see the next Monday night, alright? So full joy the video. Sorry you can't hear the music, but you know the copyright thing with YouTube. YouTube not play with none of it. YouTube not play with none of it. So we have to secure ourselves for the copyright thing. So that's why I'm doing the voiceover. But just look at the crowd and observe the crowd. Listen to what me say right here, sir. That's what I'm telling you. You have to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Click on the post notification bell. Every time I upload a video, right here, sir.
11 4 7 6 11 going once going twice. Ladies and
collect my $10 on the whole and select the family. I just work my work and chicken my jerk.
You get 2
Hurry up and go get the second. Go on and come up for your change.
I see what I'm
You actually just paid to get inside?
But him listen to him ticket. Listen to him.
Alright, sugar box. It's only a red thing can wait. If a blue thing on, I will dash for the blue and look again.
Weird. That's so weird.
So, right now, go the red. I just said it. Like your legal.
Selected Platinum family, so now they're offering the ticket. So anybody who win the ticket, them get one. Also, like a car, TV, a cash prize.
Without a zero.
Hold on, make a collect again. $10 please.
Yes. Wait what? Wait what? I'm crushed. So, look how it is. I'm very good. So well much. Here it is. Nails did. Well good.
You hear that?
Each and every morning, music and content. Oh my God. And next thing right here, the 476389. That's 476389. The big one. The big one. Where number? You have 476389.
Ticket are raffle, so people are going things. Bobby, I have a lighter? See a lighter here.
That's the other line I cheat.
So Bobby, what the ticket are say? Wait a win, say. Bobby, say something now?
You pay $5 entry, and you win cash money. So I give away cash money back.
I want 19-inch TV in the two. I did show in another 19-inch TV. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell her to go inside. Right, yes, sir. Selected Platinum family, we're here at Barbie Sound Clash on a Monday night. Only on a Monday night. You have to be selected to be on my channel. It's all about girl them. See them there, right there, so go back over there, so. Right there, so see them there. Canada finest girls. Look on blonde ear, look on the blonde ear them. Only Canada alone, they can't come see blonde ear. Watch her.
Oh wow.
Watch her attitude.
Yeah.
Good girl.
Yeah.
Floss it, you have it, you just floss. Don't go out with yourself. Go and go peep you, not peep up yourself. See there, only unselected. Watch out when you lick me down with that big body. Only unselected Platinum channel, you can see all of them good things here. Right there, so it's all about girl power. Girls power, girl, right there. So. No animosity inside here, not a bathroom, yeah. Be a Jesus Christ. Watch out. Can't bother now. Can't bother now. Our birthday today. How old are you now?
100 miles. Big up Tupac. Big up Jay. Big up everybody. 100 miles from my birthday, girl.
See
Birthday
this?
Nima, I love you all the time. Big up Nima channel on YouTube. Prescribe or describe. Do what you want to do. Big up Nima.
Anything
Love
goes.
you always. Watch
Anything
out.
goes.
Turn around the camera.
Yeah, turn
No,
around the
turn
camera.
around. Help me too, guys.
She's fucking up. Fucking bitch. She's fucking.
That's what we do.
That's how I go in the night. It's all about you. It's all about selective Platinum family. See there? Watch out. We are so nice. Right here, so. Right here, so. See there? That's what I'm telling you. You have to be selective to be able to do it. One of So the Canada woman them stress free. Look how the Canada woman them stress free. Yeah, you. The Canada woman them stress free. Okay, so this is the part where the stage show over. And this hang out and have a vibe, a whole vibe. And the girl them will carry on. Them are dancing and enjoy themselves. Them full joy them money. And everybody just full joy themselves. Under them liquor, under them tip, under them cigarette. But you know what work out, what man not stay with them. The girl them go out with themselves from night. The girl them happy, them enjoy themselves. But know me, I look forward to see them next week again. For the girl them. Yeah, this is how people enjoy themselves on a Monday night. Only on a Monday night. Watch them. The girl them happy and carry on with them good nice. Watch ya. Look on this. Watch the one Bob. Watch Bob. Over the can't bother with them. Uploaders in the park, uploaders in the party, in the sound clash. Love you, Bobby. Love you, Rose. Love you, Black. Mwah. Watch this now. Watch her eye. I don't know why Bobby going like she shy. Bobby, you're going shy. I mean, the one girl, you're not shy. Watch her. Watch Squire. Watch Pedova. Watch Carry On. Watch her. Me nah play. Bobby, you're too much. Yeah, so this is my not advice over because the music I play. People are enjoying themselves. It's like after 3:44 in the morning. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Click on the post notification bell. Every time I upload a banger like this, you have to enjoy. It's all about for you guys. It's all about love and share and happiness and girl power. That was it. Right here, sir. Right now, right here. Big up on the nice, please, sir. So these are the casket where they put the dead body. This are the casket where they put the one we lose the clash. This is the casket all skeleton bone, skeleton head, skeleton finger and toe, everything in the box. So the security I come there. I bring this one of the sound man phone because I'm left him phone. And Bobby with her with the aperture. I look at the camera there. Watch this. Watch that. Watch this. Watch Bobby on the mic. Watch Rose. Look like a rapist. Me not bother. Me not know somebody just dead and everybody happy so. Nobody not loving on the heart. The man just dead and the casket. The body not the casket. Till all the skin rotten off left bone and everybody still happy and carry on. Me like that clash here. Me like that watch the man turn up the casket. Watch Bobby open up the casket. Can't bother. Only on a Monday night and only on Selective Platinum channel. You see that something here. If you not subscribe to my channel, you're not gonna see the excitement, you're not gonna see the things them, but you have to be selective because it's only few it's gonna be selective. Cause you know we have to keep the core very small, we have to keep the circle very small. Watch jealousy, watch here. They must set up them one another. Bobby want Rose to dance with somebody. Rose want Bobby to dance with somebody. So nobody not dance with nobody. So I might as well one of them just lift up the casket and carry it outside. Dig one hole and put the casket in there. Take it out back for next week. Alright, so my party now. I'm just telling you say the party over. So good night everybody. Chal. Love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I'm gonna sign off my channel. So have a good night. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend, click on the post notification bell. Every time I upload a video, you guys gonna be notified. Alright?